How to download and install OKX application on your device. First of all, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Now tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap search bar at top of the screen and type in OKX. Search for this application and you will get this application at the top of the screen. You need to tap on the official application, that is OKX by Bitcoin, BTC and crypto, and tap the install button. You need to wait for a while until this application is downloading on your device. Once it gets downloaded and installed, it will appear on your home screen where you can easily open and create an account on OKX app, and you can easily buy Bitcoins or cryptos on OKX application. So that is how we download and install the OKX app on our device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.